Now we can start our lesson about sketching quadratic functions. You can open your book, page 57. It will be book C1, C2. Okay. Before we start our lesson, we must know the meaning of each word. What does it mean, sketching? First, about sketching, what does it mean? You can raise your voice, no problem. Drawing, another word. You can say drawing, graphs, or graphing. Then it's about graph, okay? It's about what? Graph. What about, what does it mean, quadratic? Quadratic, what does it mean? Yes? You know? Yes, quadratic, what does it mean? Is it quadratic functions? And we have another word, functions. Okay? Oh. Then let's see. We have many functions. Then you must know that type of functions. You don't know what does it mean, quadratic. One. The first type is constant function. Who can tell me any example about it, like what? F of x equals c. C meaning what? Any number or any real number. Okay? Like what? Maybe you can say f of x equals 5. Sometimes they write it like this, y equals -3. Then you must know that y equals f of x. And the letter f, it's short expression for the word function. Okay? Then what does it mean, function? Function in math. Okay? Function in math, what does it mean? It's a relation between two variables. Relation between two variables. Always, or most time, it will be x and y. X and y. Here is x. It will be independent. And y, it's dependent. What does it mean? That's meaning. If you change x, y will change. But here is constant. What does it mean? If you have example like this, f of x equals 2. Then if we say f of 1 equals what? Constant functions, you cannot change it. It's always equals 2. Yes. Yes, it will be 2. Okay? F of 0 equals 2. No x to substitute. It is f of x equal to, this is our function. Okay? That's the meaning. If you put x for any value, it will be fixed for 2 only. Then you can make your table like this. And you'll put some values. Here is for x. Here is f of x. Or sometimes when you meet what? Y. If you put x -1, f of x, it will be what? 2. If you put x 0, f of x, it will be what? 2. You see it? It's always 2. Then if you put x 1, then f of x equals what? 2. It's constant. Fix it. No change for y. Then if you put x2, the function will be what? 2. Then you must know if you want to graph it. You will put your axis. Okay. And here is our values. Here is x-axis. Here is y-axis. You can put here is values for x, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 0, -1, -2. Here is values for y, 1, 2, 3. Down, it will be what? -1. About your points, you have points here. This is your points. What does it mean? It will be -1, 2. The other point, it will be what? 0, 2. The third point, 1, 2. Here we choose some points.
Some points.
No, what's your problem? I typed. You didn't see yesterday? Okay, this video is me. This is the first lesson. Okay. Then again, you must put your points here. Okay? Yes. Yes. Then here, -1, 2. -1, 2. 0, 2. To care about our graph, it will be like what? 1 and 2. Yes, straight line. And another thing, who can tell me? Like this, it will be steady. Okay? We can make it like this. See what happened? Straight line parallel to what? You know what does mean parallel? Oh, what that? You don't know what does mean parallel? Parallel. Yes. These 2 lines cannot meet. Like these 2 lines. Okay? Like these 2 lines. 2 lines cannot meet. Okay? Parallel. Then here, you see this green line, this is f of x. It's parallel to what? X-axis. And you must, this is horizontal line. Okay? This is constant function. Don't forget it. Then again, then here is what? F of x equals what? 2. Then if we say f of x equal 3, it will be another line from 3. Okay?
The second will be 3.
Yes, down. any values for y. Okay? Question for smart students. Who can refer to the function f of x equals 0? Which line?
0.
Huh? F of x equals 0. Which line?
0.
No, it's 1. 0, 0, 1.
So,
Which line f of x equals 0? This line. Okay, exactly. Okay. That's the equation of x-axis. If you say 0, 0, it's what? Only point. Then here, about the equation, here is what? Equation of x-axis, f of x equal what? Equal 0. If you want to put any point, maybe you can put it down. You can put line down. You can choose another color. It will be what? What is the equation of this line? Yes. F of x equals what? Equals -1. Okay? It's clear? Good. Then that's, maybe we can make it like introduction for how to treat with functions. You must know all types. This is the first type. Y equal any number, like this. Then according to this, you write or what? You haven't anything to write. How are you? Yes, don't forget this is what? Constant functions. Okay? I don't know, I hear your voice, I cannot say this properly. Must.
can you start writing?
Yes, you can write. I said. You can write. And you must know this is very important for you for college. You must know all types of functions. Then please care of your lessons. And anything you didn't understand, ask me now.
نكتب لك سبورة أستاذ؟
What?
نكتب لك سبورة؟
And ask all the students. They know me. You must write all. Everything.
والله. لا
Come here.
لا ما عشان ما أشوف ما مرتب أستاذ.
Come here.
ما أشوف أستاذ زين أنا بس ما مرتب.
ما شاء الله.